Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Rella. So I wanted to come before you guys today in order to document my 6 months hair update. I am again 6 months in, about 2 weeks shy into this new month, and I am about 3 or 4 days post a retie. For this new retie, I did decide to go ahead and seek out a professional in order to make sure that my hair was progressing the way that it should, and that any tips that they may have regarding my hair, they will be able to share it with me, as I do experience a lot of unraveling with my hair. I wanted to actually do a vlog of that experience, but with me trying to rush at the last minute, I didn't think to even turn on the camera on my phone or even take my little small camera with me as I was driving to the consultants or the trainees home in order to get my retie, and I didn't come before you guys once I got my hair done to share what my experience was. But nonetheless, the experience was very wonderful. I did have a great time with her. We did vibe well. She did give me some suggestions on what I could do in order to combat some of the unraveling that I am experiencing, and she did also suggest that I do continue with my reties every 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks, so that way I can stay on top of any unraveling that I do experience and make sure that it doesn't become unbearable or go out of control. As with this retie, it did go a little I did push it a little bit just because our schedules did not work out, because the week that I would have had a retie, she actually did get sick, and her son was also sick as well. So they was experiencing that at that time, and so we went ahead and pushed back the retie until the following week. And I did wash my hair twice in that time frame, just because she did want me to wash my hair prior to her retightening my hair. So with the second retie, I did experience a lot more unraveling than I would normally do, just because I only wash my hair about 3 to 4 weeks in, and usually around the time that I do wash my hair, it is around the time that I will do a retie. So with that, she did suggest that the shampoo that I was using, which was the 50/50, I think it was Moisture Balance or Clarifying Balance or something like that, by Giovanni. She did suggest that I stop using that, just in case that was contributing to the unraveling. She does suggest that I use a more clarifying shampoo, either the Suave shampoo that everyone seems to be enjoying. But when I was a loose natural, Suave shampoos never worked on my hair. It actually caused my hair to tingle a lot. So it used to make detangling my hair a nightmare. So, but then again, with the whole braid loss and the locking of your hair, I can imagine that it probably is a good thing to have your hair tangle up, just the way your hair does lock up the way that it should. She also gave me a sample of the RellaJoLocd shampoo, so I will be trying that with my next wash in about 2.5 to 3 weeks from now, and I will come back and share with you guys what my experience is with that shampoo. But as far as like any updates on my hair, it is progressing fairly well. It is getting thicker, which I am enjoying. She also combined a few lots, especially in the front portion of my head, that I'm not really happy about, just because those portions will end up being bigger than I wanted them to. But she did also suggest that I can go ahead, once they do mature, that I can actually split those lots to make them smaller to match the rest of my hair. And yeah, and It also kind of showcase the fact that I do have thin edges right here. This side is pretty decent. It doesn't look that bad, so I'm not too disappointed on this side. It's just this side, the right side of my head, that I am kind of like self-conscious about, just because that spot is a lot bigger than the left side, and the left side is actually a little bit more not as noticeable as the right side. But yeah, I will go ahead and turn around and show you guys a 360 of my hair, and try to show you a close-up as well, so that you can see exactly how my hair is progressing, and kind of compare it to my my first video with my 3 to 4, I think a 3 to 4 weeks update, or 3 to 4 month update. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn around. So this is the left side and what it's looking like. I did have my hair in a flat twist for okay, so this is the left side. The back, the right side, and the front. Let's see if I can do this. So I still kind of wear my hair flipped over naturally. It does flip over naturally to my right side, and this is pretty much how I usually rock my hair. This is a flat twist that I kept in my hair for about 4 to 5 days now, that I decided to go ahead and let loose today. Yeah, I haven't done much styling or anything with my hair. It's typically like this, or an up and down style, or a flat twist. One day I will eventually go ahead and venture out and styling my hair, but I know I do want to wait until all the raveling kind of subside. That way I'm not contributing to anything coming undone. I am limiting the amount of oil that I do use in my hair, as I pretty much don't do that often anyways. I pretty much only use oil whenever I wash my hair, and then that, after I wash my hair, I would kind of grease my scalp just a little bit and keep pushing. I must spray my hair at least once or twice a week, if that. But I'll pretty much be continuing doing what I have always been doing since my journey, and trying out the new RellaJoLocd shampoo in order to see if that will help the process of locking my hair a little bit easier for me. And I will come back and let you guys know how I do enjoy, or how the first wash went with that shampoo. Again, with this update, there has not been much change, so I will come back if I do see any changes, as well as come back hopefully with my 8th month checkup, or check in with you guys, so you can see if my hair has progressed any farther. That will actually be my birthday month, so I'm pretty excited to see if my hair makes any changes in the next 2 months. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, drop them down below, and I will be sure to answer them for you. Thank you for watching.